Good morning, it's Talia and the Shay back with another video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video will just be a weekend in my life. I did not, or weekend, 2 days, whatever you want to call it, in my life. I really don't know what this video is going to be. It's another vlog. So yeah, right now I am getting ready for a little lunch date with one of my friends, and we haven't decided what restaurant we're going to. I'll let her pick because she is expecting. So I'm like, whatever you and the babies want, cool me. But anyway, we're gonna start getting ready. I just got out the shower. I just got on pajamas because it's cold as fuck in my house. I'm from Michigan. Michigan fall is really like pre-winter, just no snow. A lot of sun, but it's cold as hell. So here's some of my lash. See or something. I did my lashes last night. I think they look really good. I'm probably not gonna do no makeup, or I'll probably just do like a no makeup look. I have not decided yet. So I'm about to clean these shoes off, and I'll come back once I get them cleaned off. Okay, so I am officially dressed. I just got on some blue jeans. It's kind of ripped up. And then I have on this black like crop top with this olive green jacket. I have my MK bag, and then my Steve Maddens. And y'all see it got the orange and the orange. Okay. So I'm about to go, and I'll talk to y'all once I get in the car. So y'all, I locked my keys in my car. Been getting ready all morning. Hungry as shit. I need to go try to get me a motherfucking tire because I'm over here riding ball. This is just ghetto. This is ghetto. So I don't know. My friend said she was gonna call her people to I'm looking at my tires, y'all. Like, I don't see no tread on none of these tires. She said she was gonna call her insurance company, and they do it for free. Cause if I ain't gotta pay, kudos to me. But it be like people, these little locksmith people be charging $70, $60, $50 just to get some keys out of a fucking car. Like, that is ghetto. So I'm about to wait for her to call me back or text me back and see what they talking about. So my friend that I'm supposed to be at lunch with called her insurance company because they do free key service or whatever. So they're coming to get me in. Come get me in. Get my keys unlocked out my car, y'all. I'm ready to take these braids down. They might be coming down today. And then no, I ain't white as fuck right here. That's disgusting. But anyway, yeah. So I'm standing in my driveway because I'm trying to figure out where I want them to find me because it's not my insurance, and since she don't want to have to go out, so I think I'm just gonna go out to eat by myself and get me a drink because I'm stressed now. Stressed the fuck out. The sky is pretty down. So yeah, y'all, I'm just keeping y'all updated. But how my day starting out like this already? But that's okay though, because we still gonna go eat. We still gonna go do what we gotta do. Okay, y'all, so Y'all see I'm in the car. We back rolling on down the street. No, but seriously, that was really, really quick. Once he pulled up, he didn't ask no questions. It was free of charge, and I'm grateful, thankful for her, because I need to figure out how I can get that put on my damn insurance before they pull the fuck up, because clearly I'm under the wrong insurance, because they pulled up, no questions asked, got their keys out. He did take a picture of my door, for his, I guess because he didn't want to say like he broke the door, or somebody could say that he broke the door, but I would never do nothing like that, because I know how my car looked before, the person came. So I mentioned, I was like, well, my door being broke. He was like, oh, you did this? I was like, yeah, but it ain't happened when you thought it happened, being like that. So I'm about to head to Olive Garden. I was calling my sister to see if she wanted to go get some food or something, but she didn't answer the phone. So we solo doling it. Solo dolo in it. Hey y'all, so I have not talked to y'all in about 12 hours, I'd say. It's 6:19 and I just finished cleaning up. I had made me a little to-do list. I had bought this little board from Five and Below so long ago. So I erased the days once I'm finished with them. So of course it's Thursday. And really all that's left to do on my list is wash my makeup brushes, but that could be done any day of the week. It doesn't have to technically be, well, no, they gotta get done at least tonight or tomorrow. But, because I have a few, well, I'm gonna say a few. I have a makeup appointment for a gender reveal. But a lot of people make appointments, and I need to get better at that because I don't technically do makeup, but I know how to do makeup. So I would tell people like, "Oh, okay, well, let's you know, I'll do your makeup." And then like day of, I don't hear from them, and I'm not the type to reach out to people, so I'm getting better at that. Um, Let me turn this air off because it's starting to cool down in here. I got the air on because it be hot as hell with my heat on, and then I get cold, then have to turn the heat back on. So yeah. Anyway, what else was I say? So I'm about to start getting ready for the day. Well, the night because it's 6:21. So, oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I'm about to get in the shower and brush my teeth and stuff like that. I know y'all probably like, ew, bitch, you ain't brush your teeth or got in the shower. I just woke up at 4 o'clock. And I instantly just got into clean mode. So I started, but yeah, so I just instantly got into clean mode and I started cleaning and just kind of getting my ish together. Like I said, I cleaned out my fridge. I swept and mopped, took out like my old food and stuff that I had cooked for the week because trash day is tomorrow. So I just made sure my trash and stuff was all outside and ready for tomorrow for trash pickup. Just get ready because me and my homegirl is going to get, I guess it's dinner. We're gonna go get dinner and then we're gonna head to um, R&B Thursday at this club. So they kind of just play a bunch of like R&B songs and we just kind of vibe out or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. And she said around 8 is 6:23. So y'all know it take me a little minute. And I think I'm gonna do my makeup today because I have not worn makeup in a while. So I kind of just want to get in the swing of things ahead of time. So I was just checking in because y'all know I'm gonna take y'all with me, and we gotta do something to this head, y'all. So I think I'm gonna start on that first, my hair and stuff, and tie it down really well, and then I think I'm gonna wear it in a ponytail too. I don't know, but I'm about to start getting ready. And I will talk to y'all when it's time to do my makeup. I guess I could do like a little get ready with me or something. I don't know. I was just watching a YouTube video once again, Shaded by Jay, and I don't know. Every time she come with a message, it's like my messages be in tune. My feelings be in tune with her messages. Like either I'm going through that, getting through it, or like just was talking about it with certain friends and family about like what I'm going through and how I've been feeling and stuff, and just like where my mental space is at. And it's like every video she posts, that message be for me. And I don't know how she be hitting stuff on the nose, but it technically is like we're in tune or something. So I never comment on YouTubers videos and stuff, even though I be following them and subscribed to them for a long time. But I chose to comment this time. Not that she may mention it, or she may or may not even notice my comment. Who knows? But I chose to, stop being a background watcher and kind of just speak up and start, like, not technically networking, but letting people know that, like, I appreciate your content and you as a person, because you are reaching to me in a way that like people around me can't, because they mental is not, like, it's weird that you will find people that you have no idea who they are, nothing about them, but just what they show from their YouTube channel, and how you can actually connect to them in a way as if you were friends with them and know them personally. And I just feel like I do know her personally just from her content, which is so crazy. But yeah, that's my little message that, like, I'm not even calling a message, but that's just crazy. So I commented and I told her exactly what I just told y'all. Like, girl, your messages be for me, and I don't know, like put me, God put you in my life on YouTube for a reason, for me to be able to watch your content and stuff. And she talked about how she just upped and moved with no plan, and that's literally where I'm at right now. Like, I literally am ready to switch states with no plan. And granted, I got like a little bit of a plan because I know how I want my life to go, but like I don't really know how I'm gonna get there. And she basically was saying about faith, and I've been so hooked on keeping faith and staying on Faith Street, and just more so focused on my faith and not knowing what tomorrow gonna bring, but tomorrow may be my day. And for her to have that message for me, and that's exactly like right now as we're speaking, September 19th, 2022, I decided that I want to move out of state. and that's the message that she had for me. It's just, yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'm about to get ready. I really don't know what I'm gonna wear, y'all. Um, so I probably figure that out, and then I probably film like a little TikTok too. So yeah, I will see y'all in a little while. Okay, y'all, I'm in the car. Y'all can't really see me, so I'm not gonna talk long. I'm headed to the restaurant now. I was trying to think of the quickest way, but there really ain't no quicker way. Either way would take about the same amount of time due to traffic and lights and stuff. Well, not really traffic, more so stoplights because there's a bunch of them. So yeah, I'm just about to head there. I'm kind of rushing because I know that she's probably there or pulling up, and I told her at 9:40 I was on my way. So I mean 8:40 I was on my way. So I be lying, but yeah, let's see. This is me, like 5 minutes away. Okay, so she late too. Cool. We here. Cause she just texted me that she about 5 minutes away. I'm late. Say hey, Bree. Good afternoon, y'all. It's 3:33 in the afternoon, and I just got up to run some errands and stuff because last night I got super drunk, but I wasn't throwing up or anything, so I wasn't like super drunk and then sick with it. I was just super drunk, and I couldn't get up. I could not get up. I was too. Well, actually, I got home like at 3 a.m. I went to bed, and then I got back up at 8. So I don't even understand how I was woke. And since I couldn't understand how I was woke, I went back to sleep, and I tried to keep going to sleep. Like, tried to get all my sleep out, which technically I really didn't have too much to do today anyway. At least I don't want to have nothing to do today. And like my agenda was to basically finish editing a video, cook, and of course pay bills and put some money up, because every Friday is payday for me. So every Friday I put some money up. Every Friday I pay the bill that's coming up for the previous month. Or, if y'all get what I'm saying. Like, I pay a bill every Friday. It don't technically be due, but I try to get the bill that's due. Like, rent is due October 1st tomorrow. So it ain't technically early, but I'm on time. So like, rent gonna be paid. Any bill that's due on the 1st gonna be paid, because of my last check for the month. And then like next Friday will be the bills that's coming from either that week or the following week, if there's any. But anyway, I'm rambling. I'm out of it still too, y'all. So that's what I was saying. Like, I really didn't have too much to do today, but I do want to cook. So I'm gonna go get me some cornbread, some Jiffy, oh that's the same thing, some Jiffy mix, a cabbage, and I feel like I need something else. And I already got my chicken, so I'm making baked chicken and cabbage and cornbread. But I feel like I need like. Okay, y'all. So I just got in the house. I'm about to wash my fingers. Take my jacket off. I have to wash my hands and get my dinner started. I'm gonna go through the bags and show y'all what I bought. Okay. Got some Target. I got some paper towels because I needed some. And I got 2 tins of foil pens. A bunch of face masks that we'll talk about a little later because we're going to do a little self-care. So we got this Poppy strawberry lemonade prebiotic soda. These are so bomb. Kyra, I'm unique, put me on them. But she be getting like a different kind, but my Target don't sell those kind. So I got strawberry lemonade and I tried it for the first time last week. And I only have bought one in the United States. But yeah, these toys are bomb.com. When she be saying try something, try it. Cause she ain't steering you wrong. So I got the box because one is like $2.49 for one. They're very kind of expensive, but they're good. So I got 6 of them. I got a 4-pack. The pack was $8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So that was like $9 for 4 on their own. Just because they're like $2.49 a piece. So the whole pack was $8. Soap. I got the sensitive skin kind, some deodorant, and I got some press-ons. These were really pretty to me. Can you see them? Yeah. And then we went to Walmart. I just got some Jiffy cornbread mix, some Italian dressing for my food. Cheese pasta because my boyfriend said he wanted macaroni. I'm like, I'm not making no easy mac stuff. That's the closest thing we're gonna do. And I didn't want to make no homemade macaroni. And some cabbage. I'm about to put everything up, and then when I start cooking, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna cook together.